And right now, a ruling coming down against a Newport News apartment building owner.
The owner of the Seaview Lofts found in contempt of court a week after residents had to vacate their apartments. News reporter Brendan Ponton joins us live from the courthouse.
All right, so Brendan, what happens now?
That ruling coming down late this afternoon here, and the ruling says that the owner of the apartment building will have to reimburse the city for the cost of putting people up in hotel rooms. At the 15-story Seaview Lofts in Newport News, issues with the elevators have kept some, like Vernette Scarborough, confined to their apartments at times. Her husband is in a wheelchair and they live on the 12th floor.
We were upstairs for 3 weeks, no elevator. We couldn't get downstairs. Which at the point, I didn't need anything from the store or anything like that, so I was comfortable. But it was the idea that I could not go when I wanted to go.
And it's the elevator issue that led to the building's owner, Seaview Apartments LLC, having to answer to a judge this afternoon. The judge condemned the building last week due to the elevator issue at the request of the city. Repairs are still being made to the elevators, and they are still not up to code, although several other issues were talked about in court, which residents have also noted.
It goes way beyond just the elevators. And they had numerous times to fix the elevators, and they haven't.
This afternoon, the judge ruled the building's owner in contempt of court, meaning they were not following court orders to have at least one elevator up to code. As a punishment, they'll have to reimburse the city for the cost of putting some of the residents up in hotels, which is so far more than $70,000. Residents just want to know when they can go back.
The building, I don't know when we're going to get back in. I don't know how long we got to stay in a hotel. That's why I'm here in court, to find out about us.
And now hotels will continue to be paid for through July 14th. An attorney for the building said they'd been trying to fix the issues, but hadn't been able to get the work done in time. Afterwards, the attorney didn't comment.
Is the owner sorry? Have any apology message to the residents?
I appreciate your question, but I'm not going to be answering any questions today.
While the building's new property manager briefly commented while getting into her car.
The resident safety is our #1 priority. So, and we're gonna do the right thing. It's just gonna take some time.
Now, the head of the company that owns the building was supposed to be here in court today. His name is Ben Weinstein. The attorney said he was not able to make it today due to a death in the family that required him to travel overseas. The next hearing in this case is on Thursday, July 14th at 11 a.m. The judge says he really wants to hear then about efforts to get the residents back into the apartment building, and we'll keep you updated as all of this plays out. Live in Newport News, Brendan Ponton, News 3.